Hello friends! Today I'm excited to share with you a popular recipe perfect for those warm summer nights. The delightful flavors of fried ribs infused with the refreshing mint leaves. And the best part is super easy to make. The key lies in the marination process. Once you marinate the ribs with the right ingredients and allow enough time for the flavors to penetrate into the meat, the rest is a breeze. Simply fry them up for 5 to 8 minutes, then you will be ready to enjoy this sensational dish. So let's dive in and get started. The first step is to soak the ribs in water for a minimum of 20 minutes. This step helps to remove any excess blood and unwanted odors from the ribs. After soaking process, thoroughly rinse the ribs and be sure all the water is drained completely. Take kitchen paper towels and dry the ribs. Make sure they are completely dry before moving on to marinating them. This step ensures that the ribs are clean and primed for the perfect marinade. Begin marination. We'll add ½ cup of Shaoxing cooking wine first. Then we'll add 8 to 10 sliced ginger, handful minced scallions, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. One tablespoon black pepper and 1 tablespoon sugar. One tablespoon dark soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. One tablespoon soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon honey. I'll also add 1 tablespoon onion powder and 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Cumin powder is optional if you don't prefer. So after adding all the marinated spices, thoroughly mix them into the ribs. Make sure that each piece is evenly coated. And then set the bowl on the side, marinate for a minimum of 1 hour. While ribs is marinating, let's prepare mint leaves. You may use as much mint leaves as you desire based on your personal preference. If you like a stronger mint taste, add more leaves. But before using the mint leaves, make sure to rinse them thoroughly and pat them dry with paper towels. This step is important to remove any dirt or moisture. Ensure that the mint leaves are perfectly clean and dry. And now let's add an ample amount of vegetable oil into a pot. Make sure that the pot is deep enough to prevent any oil overflow during the frying process. Add the mint leaves in as soon as oil reaches a temperature of 300 Fahrenheit. Fry lightly for a quick 3 to 5 seconds. Ensure that they retain their vibrant color and crispiness. As soon as the leaves curl up, quickly remove them from the oil. This quick frying process will infuse the oil with a delightful hint of mint flavor, which is exactly what we're looking for. After lightly frying the mint leaves, increase the oil temperature back to 300 Fahrenheit. While keeping the heat at medium, start adding the ribs into the oil one by one, ensuring to gently move them around as you add them to prevent sticking and to ensure even frying. Once all the ribs are added, continue to gently push them around occasionally to maintain an even frying temperature. The total frying time for the ribs will be approximately 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of the ribs. For this dish, it is actually recommended to use a smaller spare ribs for optimal results. This smaller size allows for faster and more even cooking. After 5 minutes of frying, turn off the heat while utilizing the remaining heat from the oil to continue in cooking the ribs. Just right before removing the ribs from the oil, add the mint leaves to the pot. Allow the mint leaves to fry alongside the ribs for about 10 seconds only, infusing them with a deeper minty flavor. After 10 seconds frying, remove ribs and mint leaves from the oil. Place them on oil-absorbing cooking paper to remove any excess oil. You can then remove the cooking paper and garnish the ribs with minced scallions, cilantro, and even chili flakes for a touch of the heat. Toasted sesame seeds can also be added for an extra burst of flavor. Alternatively, you can savor the ribs as they are already incredibly flavorful. Now, all we need is grab a cold beer. It pairs perfectly with this dish. The ribs will have a crispy exterior while remaining juicy and tender inside. The light minty scent and flavor add a refreshing twist. There you have it, my friends. This is a must-try summer dish. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this recipe and video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Until next time, and happy cooking, friends!